All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Hyundai Veloster. It is the 3-door hatchback with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Super nice, only 25,000 miles in this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper is fantabulous. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing on this bad boy. Let's check out your tire tread, which is at around 830 seconds. This door looks good. Does have a dent right here. And another one right here, probably from opening doors. But you probably opened the door on it. Got another little ding right there. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. I see another little heavy scratch down here, less than an inch. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I see 3, 6, about 9 to 10 inches. Your tire thread. For this, around the same, around 830 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Pull that key out of my pocket. Does come with 1 key and 1 key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light, and your mileage of 25,693. It's good. Turn on the lights. Fog lights going. Keep it moving. Show you guys all the stuff. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks good. Have a little heavy scratch there and a couple chippies there. That's what your trunk space looks like. Boom. Very nice. That's what your cargo area looks like. It has your storage. It has all the things there, all your tools, and even has on all weather mats back there as well. All right. And a privacy curtain. Of course, here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. It has some curbing. It's got minimum curbing, a couple of spots here and there. Not even gonna call it on the thing. It's not that big a deal. Your thread though is around 830 seconds. Here's your third door. Very nice. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks lovely. Your front passenger rim does have some curbing. Tenor war go all the way around it. And your tire thread is at around 830 seconds as well. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my fog lights weren't turned on. Now they are. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Hyundai Veloster 3-door hatchback with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Beautiful freaking car. Thank you. Happy bidding.